Today we talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your Wallapop app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to this list here. So then you go down, just keep going down, then you click here on apps and you come to apps list. Then here can you looking for Wallapop app or just click here on search. So then here add Wallapop app here, then you it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then you come to this list, click here on force stop, then you click here on OK, then you go down, click here on storage, then you click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store. When you click here on your Play Store, it's going to take you to this list. Then you search for Wallapop, it's going to show for you like this. Then it's going to show for you here update, click on it, then uh, it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.